Clinicians are trained to invite patients to relay the history of their symptoms and illness when they meet. A thorough patient story describes patients' health, symptoms, health risks, past treatments, and medical history. Today's digital tools provide multiple options to support the patient in narrating their health history. Patient-reported outcomes are one of these important options. When patients complete standardized patient-reported outcomes measures, or PROs, they provide a succinct, reproducible summary of their symptoms and health. PROs offer many advantages, as consistent pro-symptom assessments can generate a summary of symptom severity compared to others and provide an easy metric to assess improvement, or not, over time. Clinicians often want to use PROs in clinical care to assess patient symptoms and inform treatment decisions. PRO scores establish the symptom baseline to evaluate treatment response. Reviewing PROs with patients can facilitate shared decision-making conversations about treatment options. Annual PRO monitoring can help identify changes in physical or emotional health status. Including PROs in your clinical practice can facilitate important information sharing between you and your patients. In addition to completing the PRO with you, patients can also complete PROs at home. PROs can help you track patients' symptoms and key changes in their physical and emotional function. To learn more about our approach to PRO collection and use, and download our free workbook and video series, visit askpatientsnow.com.